In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Taobao account. We'll walk through the process on a computer, and I'll point out what each screen means so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your web browser and heading to taobao.com or world.taobao.com if you use the global site. Sign in with your username and password, or scan the QR code from the Taobao app. If the page appears in Chinese, you can use your browser's translate feature so the menus are easier to follow. Once you're logged in, move your mouse to the profile icon in the upper right corner of the page. A menu will appear. Click My Taobao. This takes you to your personal hub. From here, open Account Settings. That will load your full settings dashboard where you can manage privacy, security, and more. On the left side, choose Security Settings. This section controls password changes, verification methods, and the option we need for closing the account. Scroll through the page until you find Account Cancellation, sometimes labeled Cancel Account with the Chinese text 注销账号, and click it. Taobao now shows a requirements checklist. You won't be able to proceed if there are unpaid orders, refunds that haven't finished processing, active memberships, a connected Alipay account, or any active Taobao services or seller tools. If any of these appear, resolve them first, then return to this page. Clearing those items prevents delays and ensures the cancellation goes through smoothly. When everything is in order, click Continue or Next to start the deletion process. Taobao will ask you to verify your identity. This is typically done with an SMS code sent to your registered phone number or with a prompt in the Taobao app. Enter the verification code right away, since these codes usually expire after a short time. You will then see a final warning. It explains that the account cannot be recovered, your data will be erased, and you'll lose access to Taobao services tied to this login. Read this carefully and only proceed if you're sure you no longer need the account. When you're ready, click Confirm Cancellation. Before you begin, consider saving any order receipts or records you might need for your own files, and make sure you're on a stable internet connection to avoid timeouts during verification. That's it. Follow these steps, and you'll be able to delete your Taobao account with confidence.